Here are 20 beautiful hadiths of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. The most complete gift of God is a life based on knowledge. A strong person is not the one who can overpower others, but one who can control themselves when angry. Kindness is a mark of faith, and whoever is not kind has no faith. A believer does not taunt, curse, abuse, or talk indecently. Do not waste water, even if you perform your ablution on the banks of an abundantly flowing river. The best among you are those who have the best manners and character. He who does not show mercy to others will not be shown mercy. The most beloved deed to Allah is to make a Muslim happy. The strong person is the one who can control themselves when they are angry. The world is a prison for a believer and paradise for a disbeliever. The best way to defeat someone is to beat them at politeness. Charity does not decrease wealth. The believers in their mutual kindness, compassion, and sympathy are just like one body. The best of people are those who are most beneficial to people. Your smile for your brother is charity. When you see a person who has been given more than you in money and beauty, then look at those who have been given less. Whoever believes in Allah and the last day, let them speak good or remain silent. Do not waste your life in the world. Allah has created you for a great purpose. A person's true wealth is the good they do in this world. The key to paradise is prayer, and the key to prayer is cleanliness.